Have you ever wondered how a giant ship stays stable in the middle of rough waves? Because if the ship's natural frequency ever matches the frequency of the ocean waves, it could actually sink. To prevent this, ships are equipped with a powerful stabilization system. At the bottom of the vessel, two massive ballast tanks are kept half-filled with seawater. In the center, a sensor constantly measures the height of the waves. Based on that reading, the system adjusts the amount of water in each tank, shifting the ship's center of gravity and keeping it balanced, even in the most violent seas. Without this hidden technology, many ships would never survive the ocean.